What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Antonio Matwire and I own a 2018 BMW M3. Hey y'all, check me out right quick. I finally installed that tire rack that's been sitting in my garage for probably like a couple weeks now. Damn, look at that. The 6.6M wheels look even better hanging up just because you can see the face. I don't know if you guys remember, but for the longest time, they were just sitting back there on the floor with all the other hot mess going on over there, but finally got a rack for them. And to be honest, that rack was only like 35 bucks on Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave the link to the tire rack in the description just in case any of y'all got some wheels and tires just laying around. But man, today's a beautiful day. I already watched the M3. We'll probably go ahead and get out, take some pictures, videos, and just see what we can get into. There goes the infamous Walmart G80. Thing is super clean. He has the Rohana wheels on it. Shit, I didn't know Walmart was paying like that.
You gotta take the good with the bad, smile with the sad. Look what you got and remember what you had.
Messing with the ones who helped me in the times when I was flat broke.
Okay, got the M-Main. Dang, I don't know if you saw that, but he was all up in his nose. You really don't see a lot, to be honest. Most of the ones I see are the M850s. You know what's kind of surprising though? Being here in Vegas, you really don't see a whole lot of BMWs. I feel like a lot of people here have like American muscle cars, to be honest. I don't know if any of y'all have noticed, but I've completely turned off the burbles on my car. Now granted, every now and then when I hit a good shift, it'll make a good popping sound. But as far as like downshifting and letting off the gas, absolutely no burbles.
I just picked up something from Mercedes, it's a one-on-one.
I always ask myself, you live in Vegas, bro, why don't you ever go downtown? I remember now, because there is always traffic downtown. And if there's not traffic, there's construction. So it's like, damn, I don't even know if I caught that, but that was a nice ass G82. So I stopped right here to take a picture. I think it's dope. We got Mandalay Bay right there. We got Luxor right there. Excalibur right there. It's just a nice little trio of casinos, as you can see. I think it'd be a dope ass picture. Now the OGs will actually remember I took a picture just like this with my 340 about 3 years ago when I first moved to Vegas. So let's go ahead and recreate it. It's hard getting a picture without all the cars in the background. Gotta time it perfectly. Damn, so homeboy's mad at me, I guess, for taking pictures in the middle of the road. Dude's just been parked there. He honked his horn and then it looked like he took a picture of my license plate through his windshield. Yet, he remains right there. Hey, he has plenty of space to go around. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't understand people. All right, so it's Thursday. I'm off tomorrow, and there's a car meet tonight, so I figured why not pop out and see what's going on. Bro, I just got here and this shit's already getting shut down. What the hell going on, man? Damn. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good, man.
On this side of town.
Yeah, I don't even know, bro. I don't even know what I'm doing out here right now. Nah, you good, bro. I'll put your Instagram. You got an Instagram, man?
Oh, yeah, it's John C. Nunez.
Okay, for sure. I'll put his Instagram right here for y'all. All right. I got to this one a little late, but apparently there's a new location down the street. So I'm about to head down there and see what's going on, because I literally just pulled up. I'm like, damn, like it's not even 10 o'clock yet. What the? I had to park away from the craziness, man, because you never know. They got like this big ass open pit, and ain't no way I'm parking right next to the pit. Like, you asking to get hit at that point. And plus, if some shit goes down, like, I'm on the end, so I'm out. So we got a nice little lineup of Beamers right here. Homeboy follows me on Instagram. That's who you saw earlier in the video. Some more Beamers. I guess I don't know if these are his homeboys or what, but we got some Beamers over here. Man, we're trying to show off for an applause. Nobody was clapping nothing. That's kind of fucked up. I'm back here. That's how motherfuckers get hit. It ain't gonna be me. Not today. Got the Stance boys.
Look at their fenders.
Ah, damn, bro. One boy in the yellow Corvette said he about to swing it. I can't record. That's what's up. Oh, homeboy, we got a competitor. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm usually not the person to go to meets like this, like takeover meets. I mean, I wouldn't call this a takeover. Everyone's kind of chilling. There's like onesie twosies people doing burnouts. You're always gonna have those people, but it's kind of lit, I'm not gonna lie. Let me know down in the comments if y'all want more content like this. Y'all like the vlog style, going to meets, seeing people do some dumbass shit. Let me know. Let me know down in the comments, because if not, I'm gonna keep doing DIYs and shit. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I would get into the pit if I had money for some new tires, because honestly, that's the main thing. Tires are expensive as fuck. I can't afford it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm not balling yet. I'm gonna get there, but not yet. And his shit was getting a little red. Okay.
Yeah, see, I got the aluminum. Stop playing with them.
Oh shit, we got a Mustang in there. I don't know, y'all. Oh shit! Oh shit! It's a Mustang! Oh shit! I'm telling you, man, Mustang, you never know a Mustang, man. Shit. Can we just say shout out to this new camera that I got? I'm not gonna tell y'all what, I'm a gatekeeper a little bit. I'm gonna tell y'all sooner or later. But y'all not even gonna believe what camera this is. But the low light, I don't know if y'all noticed on my older videos when I was in low light or in like dark settings, it was kind of like choppy, a little bit digitally. But this one, buttery smooth, baby, buttery smooth. If y'all guess the right camera in the comments, I'll like it. If it's not the right one, I ain't gonna like it. I'm about to dip. All right, yeah, the feds coming. Damn, that shit was wild, but I'm about to get the fuck up out of here because apparently someone said the feds is coming. Start trying to leave the meat off fast. I'm not trying to get hit, bro, so peace.
Messing with the ones who helped me in the times when I was flat broke, didn't even have a dime.